Filter.
Nei, det OK. Det er fint.
Lenge så gjør du bare sånn. Jeg tar ikke deg også, det er bare den maskinen. Ja.
Oi.
Ja, det er på siden, ok?
Ja, og den lofter
Den
opp,
lofter opp,
tar
ja.
ned,
Ja.
og den sånn der.
Ok.
Hopp, og tenk på nytt.
Ok.
Ja.
He showed me how to clean the filter of our heater pump, and after he cleaned, he showed me how to put back the filter properly. So den var fin, ikke sant?
Hopp. Det er fint.
Filter.
Det er fint. Det er ingen...
Men, and here, as you can see, there's no damage the heater
Jeg
machine.
bare sjekker.
Yeah.
Ja, så spjell litt på oss.
And he checked the program if it something wrong. There is no wrong the machine. Merker du det?
Den er ikke varm.
Ikke var?
Nei.
So we go around and check the pump machine. And here, the pump machine. This is how it look. There, meron siyang hagdan. And he checked the electricity. There the electricity connect the heater machine inside the house and connect to the heater. Now he's open and check if there is something wrong. The connection from pump machine to heater machine inside the house. So wait tayo guys, wait if hopefully there is no wrong the heater machine inside the house. As you can see, it's open and check. And oh, hopefully there is no something wrong. So you know guys, we have the guarantee of this machine.
Med alle kjole, conditional devices.
Ayan, as you can see, there is no something wrong in this machine. Ayan, mayroon siyang electric. At the front, no file. Håper at det er det.
Ja. Jeg håper...
Det var noe olje der
Yes.
som kommer derfra.
Yes.
Connector. Ayan o, nagpipip yung machine niya. We hope the damage is from inside there. Dahil nahanap yung oil, mayroon oil dito. They have the oil come up from there. So he find the oil there. So hindi dapat magiging ganyan eh. Hindi dapat maging oil, ganyan siya. Okay.
Jeg er ute der.
Så läckage fra kompress?
Kompressor.
Kompressor? Fra motor. Ja, läckage fra motor. Okay, så bra at det fant noe feil.
Der, her, det er oil. Se på det.
Ja, der,
Det er ikke normalt.
Nei,
Det er oil.
det er unormalt. Okay.
Oil er også her. Også oil er på den skiver der.
Bra, jeg ser det. Altså.
Der. Der.
Oi, der var masse olje.
Det er ikke normalt.
Og det skal ikke være sånn.
Yes.
Okay. Finally, he find what is something wrong in this machine. So he find the compress machine that there is oil come out from the pump machine. Because it is guaranteed, so we agreed to replace the new warm pump machine with a new one for free. So ganun guys dito sa Norway. And thank you for watching until the end. See you the next one.